Well, not too quickly. Now, I just want to go through with you judging on Sunday.
Yes.
Okay.
So, you know, seeing the kids' room, the beautiful bathroom, and I remember saying on the day that, you know, the bunk and everything, I thought, I might have seen that before. Ex-block contestants, Kyle and Cara, have just done their latest house, and looks very much like this. But then I went home and did a little bit of fishing.
Yeah.
Because it felt familiar.
Okay.
And then I found this.
Yep.
Dotted wallpaper.
Yeah, I showed everyone that picture while we were filming, saying it was my inspo. Wasn't a secret.
So you're calling it inspiration. So
Okay.
what happens is that inspiration is one thing, completely taking someone's idea and making it your own is another.
Okay.
Shaynna had accused us of straight out copying.
When you're doing it from home and
Yeah.
you're copying it like that it's, you know, no one's going to see it.
Sure.
But we're in a competition and you want a room where you make money. You haven't changed it up enough. It's not fair on the other contestants that they can win a room with money on someone else's ideas.
That bunk, that was handmade, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then
Yeah.
also underneath that, so we've changed all of that.
No.
That's got V-joint underneath. You've seen it.
It's not enough.
Yeah, I don't know. I thought we put our own spin on it. I don't think that's a carbon copy of that room.
You think of the foundation of your room and the foundation of this room. Spotted wallpaper, bunk, animals, saffron, Aztec, grey, white sheer.
Yeah.
The only difference is the type of chair and how you put those other elements together.
You just scroll on Instagram, everyone's doing the same. Everyone's doing arches, everyone's doing curves, so it's like, yeah, we're original as the next house that's doing it 5 doors down in Brighton. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So
That's what you do
just
with
got you just got to put in stuff you love.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yep. So there's just too many. So the animal, the Aztec, the bed, and the wallpaper,
And the colour.
Oh, and the colour.
And the sheer. And the carpet.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
To come across as a copycat is probably the biggest insult you could receive on the block. We actually were really affected by those comments that Shaynna said. Everything in that house and every room to date has been our heart and soul.
It's not fair on the other contestants that you get to win a room of some professional designer. When you're actually making money out of someone else's designs, that's where you go, no.
Yep. Okay.
Well, really nice to meet you. I'm so looking forward to the party pit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right,
See you,
bye.
bye.
Thanks, Shaynna.
Oh dear.
Oh, well,
I didn't really.
thought, yeah, changed enough in there. But
I was being honest. I wasn't hiding it. I showed everyone the whole way. But
that's
yeah.
the only room, though. It's the only room we've sort of copied a little
Yeah.
bit.
Well, I mean, we haven't got to any of the other rooms, but in my mind, there's, you know, I'm drawing more inspiration from what's out there in the shops rather than making anything.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I was literally just sitting out the back minding my own business.
I got in trouble from Shaynna for copying that room.
She did show me the room and her room. So that's the one that
Yeah.
Okay. There are definitely a lot of similarities. A lot of similarities.
Oh, wow. Yeah. And there were other ideas.
I'm not taking anything away from that win.
Oh, see, I am. It's actually ruined it. It's tainted
Oh, well, yeah. Because you don't want to be called a copycat.
it. Oh, I just feel like I don't know. Like, I feel like I don't deserve it now.
No, why?
I don't know.
Of course you do.
How can it be a 10? Do you think she regrets giving us a 10? I think she did.
Yeah, it's all said and done now.